Team security for tasks allows you to limit visibility of a task to members of certain huddles. To put team-level security on a task, first, create or edit a task. In the Visibility dropdown, select My Teams. A Teams section will appear. Select the teams who should be able to view this task. As part of the Teams security feature, we are also excited to allow user-level security on tasks. To do this, first create or edit a task. Choose Selected Users from the Visibility dropdown. A Users section will appear. Select the users who should be able to view this task. A few things to note. You will only be able to select teams that the current assignee of the task belongs. Admins can change the security settings of any task they have access to, but non-admins can only change security of tasks they are assigned. A task secured to certain teams won't be seen anywhere in the product if you don't belong to those teams. That includes the tasks page, huddles, dashboards, and reporting. Finally, a task associated with a priority will always inherit the security settings of the priority. The security settings of the task cannot be changed while it's associated with the priority.